Many sellers think the lowest price means the highest profit, but in reality, that's rarely the case. For many online sellers, the biggest costs don't come from product prices. They come from inventory pressure, fragmented suppliers, logistic complexity, and operational workload. That's why smart retailers focus on total procurement cost, not just unit price, and that's exactly where TVCMALL helps. Lower total procurement cost. In mobile accessory retail, speed and flexibility matter as much as price. With over 1 million products online, TVCMALL offers true one-stop sourcing. 95% of products support no MOQ, so you can test products in small quantities before scaling. Strict product screening and quality inspection helps reduce after-sales issues. And with 10,000 new items added every week, you can respond quickly to new phone launches and market trends. Test faster, reduce inventory risk, and protect your cash flow. Smarter logistics. Logistics is another major cost for online sellers. Through TVCMALL, you gain flexible shipping options like air, sea, railway, or combined transport, choosing the right balance between speed and cost. Our team also assists with shipping and custom documentation, helping reduce delays. One platform for both sourcing and logistics, simplifying the operation for online retailers. Lower shipping cost, simpler operations. One-stop platform and value-added services. TVCMALL goes beyond wholesale. We provide value-added services such as custom labeling, warehouse consolidation, API integration, product data support, and quality inspection. Everything designed to save time, reduce operational cost, and help your store scale faster. With reliable supply, flexible sourcing, and efficient logistics, TVCMALL helps independent retailers run their mobile accessory business more efficiently. For over 18 years, TVCMALL has supported thousands of major retailers worldwide. TVCMALL, one-stop mobile accessory wholesale, making global sourcing simpler, faster, and more profitable.